Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2015 Ford Police utility that is now ready to be sold. The vehicle has about 90,000 miles and it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, so if you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at www.drivecarsmart.com. Cool. All right guys, so let's get started and let's go. All right, so we'll start at the top here. So 2 LED Unity spotlights, fully functional, brand spanking new Weston push bumper. Okay, brand new push bumper. Sorry folks, we don't edit around here. Okay, the vehicle is equipped with Goodyear RSA 245/55 tires all the way around. Antennas on the top, 2 antennas at the top for display only. It is a 3.7 non-EcoBoost, so hard 3.7 engine, all-wheel drive. All right. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so now let's show you the inside. Okay, we got our driver's door. We got a ticket light, red and white. Okay, LED at the top. All right, let's show you the center. Yes. All right. Perfect. All right, now let's go to the back door. Okay, here's your driver's side rear. You got a Satina plastic seat. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, now let's go to the trunk. All right, so you have your parking sensors in the bottom here. Okay, you have this cool setup here, so you won't have practically whoever's inside won't, with this setup, you won't have any access to the bottom gear here when equipped with this feature. Obviously you can't unlock it from the outside and you should be fine, but pretty cool. All right, and as you know, it is an all-wheel drive. Okay, all right, let's get to the passenger rear door. All right, check it out. Guys, I really take pride on these Interceptors. I do my very best to really put out good quality of cars out there. I don't have any special filter on my phone that makes the car look nicer. This is really how the vehicle looks, okay, in person. So yeah, you'll really enjoy any of my Interceptors. All right, so now let's go to the front door. All right, let's close this up. Check it out. Oh, you got some cup holders. Now it's worth more. All right. Sweet. Now we're gonna go to the engine compartment. All right, so let's go to the engine compartment here. Car is on. Remember guys, our vehicles, we don't wash the engines, we don't spray any chemicals on them, we'll just clean them, okay? And that's just our policy. You know, you could do, once you buy the vehicle, you could do whatever you want to the engine, but these cars will look practically normal. And now I'm going to be quiet so you can actually hear the engine at idle. All right, perfect. Oh yeah, mileage. Let's show you some miles. Let's see there, 90,370 on the miles. And so there you have it, guys. 2015 Ford Police Interceptor that is now ready to be sold. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out. We do have some white ones coming out as well. We do have Ford Taurus coming out. But yeah, no Crown Vics yet. Nothing yet on the Crown Vics. But yeah, we really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate your comments, likes, and consider subscribing for some more cool Interceptors if you're in the market for any of these vehicles. All right, guys, so take care and have a blessed rest of day. Thank you.